Hello there, welcome to Musical Helmet. Today, I've got some exciting experience to share with you that'll blow your mind. It's all about how I managed to bring my drone through Mumbai airport customs. Let's break the video into 4 parts. Part 1. What drone did I buy? Part 2. Where did I buy it from and how much did it cost me? Part 3. How I packed my drone for airlines. And Part 4. How did I get it past Mumbai airport customs? Alright, let's dive in. The drone I got is the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. Why this one? Well, it's compact, powerful, and perfect for capturing epic shots from above. It's like having a mini powerhouse in the sky. Part 2. Where did I buy it from and how much did it cost me? I bought it from Japan, at a store called Big Camera in Osaka. The price? Around 80,000 rupees, which is a sweet deal compared to what you'd pay in India or even in the USA. Plus, I had a layover in Singapore for 4 nights, and guess what? I had no trouble carrying it with me sealed in my hand luggage. Talk about convenience. Part 3. How I pack my drone for airlines. So, here's the plan. Since I bought the Fly More Combo Plus, it came with everything neatly packed in a bag. Before my flight from Singapore to India, I unboxed the drone and sadly had to part ways with the box. But hey, sacrifices had to be made. I split up the items smartly. The drone itself and a small screwdriver went in my check-in baggage, while the battery pack, RC2 controller, and other goodies went in my hand baggage. Part 4. How did I get it past Mumbai airport customs? Now, the real challenge, Mumbai airport customs. Picture this. I'm at the baggage belt, and there's the green and red channel of customs waiting for me. Even though I'm in the green channel, my hand baggage gets singled out for screening. But hey, no sweat. I stay calm, act natural. After a few tense moments, they let me through. But here's the thing, there's one more sneaky checkpoint after customs, so I keep my cool until I'm safely out of the airport. If you follow these simple steps, I am pretty sure you will be able to get your drone, which is under 250 grams, past the Mumbai customs. And that's how I brought my DJI Mini 4 Pro drone through Mumbai airport customs.